Okay, so for today, I want you to start working on double strings. Okay, um, still in that key of F. Okay, double string, or some people call it dual. You can use it to make some solo. You can use it to uh, uh, pronounce the song or bring out the song. Okay, okay. So it's called double strings. So this is the key of F. So the double strings is when they say double strings is form of the root note and the minor or major note. Okay, it's just like you having do, sol, mi, do as a do chord, So inside that do, sol, mi, do, you can take out just do and mi. Okay, to have your double note, just to play your double note, just like do here and mi. Okay, mi. So if you place your finger like this, do mi. Okay, that gives you a do, re. Now re, I told you note that forms the re chord is the re, va, and la. Okay, so if you can play your re, va. Okay, this is va now on the first string and the re. Okay, it's just like you playing do, re, mi, va, do, la, ti, do, ti, la. But you are playing it in a double note, okay? So if you want to play in a double note, you should be playing do, mi, re, va, mi, sol. Okay? Do, mi, re, mi, sol. Va, la, va, la. Sol, ti, la, do, ti, re, do, mi. Okay? Do, mi. Because you have do. If you want to play it in one strings from the key of F, you can play one, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol. Okay, that is one string. Then under here you can play mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, and so on. Okay. So now, if you want to play the double note, you check out the note that forms the do, check out the note that forms the re, the note that forms the mi. Okay. Then note that forms the va. So then pick two notes out of there and play it. Mostly you can even play the double string even on the third note and the second note. That is la, ti, ti, re. Okay, la, ti, ti, re. Just like playing la, ti, ti, re. Okay, depending on how you want to play it. Okay, so this is your do, mi, re, va, mi, sol, va, la, sol, ti. Okay, you open. Okay, la, do, ti, re, then do mi again. Ti, re, la, do, sol, ti, va, la, mi, sol, re, va, do, mi. Okay, so now, in other words, what I play now should be applicable to all the keys on the fretboard just the same way. Okay, it doesn't place other key a different way, just like you're playing now. If you are in the key of D here like this, because this is the key of D, you can still play the same. that means we have another D here again. Okay. So this is D again, this is D here. If you want to check it, you understand me, okay? So now on that F, you can practice that, work on that, okay? Where you don't understand, get back to me.